Semen. Semen is a complex fluid produced by the male reproductive organ. Plays a crucial role in human reproduction. It consists of sperm cell, seminal plasma, and various enzymes and proteins that help in the fertilization process. Semen is primarily composed of water, but also consists a variety of the biochemical substances like sugar, amino acid, lipids, and electrolytes. Its primary function is to deliver sperm cells into the female reproductive tract for the potential fertilization of the egg. The sperm cell, also called as spermatozoa, are produced in the testes, specifically with the seminiferous tubules. Each sperm consists of a head, midpiece, and a tail, designed to facilitate movement towards the egg. The head consists the nucleus, which holds the genetic material, that is the DNA, necessary for the fertilization, while the midpiece contains the mitochondria that provide energy for the motility. The tail or the flagellum enables movement by propelling the sperm forward. The production of the sperm is known as spermatogenesis and occurs in the testes throughout the male life. Starting from the puberty, spermatogenesis is regulated by the hormone like testosterone, luteinizing hormone, and the follicle stimulating hormone, which is secreted by the pituitary gland. Testosterone in particular is a crucial for the development of the secondary male sexual characteristic and the stimulation of the sperm production. Once sperm produced, cell move in the epidermis, a coiled tube on the back of each testicle, where they mature and gain the ability to swim. The sperm are stored in the epidermis until ejaculation. During ejaculation, sperm travel from the epidermis through the vas deferens, a tube that connects to the urethra. Along the way, the sperm mix with the fluid produced by the several accessory glands, including the seminal vesicles, prostate gland, and the verbourethral gland. The seminal vesicle secrete a viscous, fructose-rich fluid that nourishes the sperm and provides energy for their journey through the female reproductive tract. A prostate gland produces a milky fluid that contains enzymes like prostate-specific antigen, that is a PSA, which helps to liquefy the semen after ejaculation, allowing sperm to swim more freely. The bulbourethral gland secretes a clear alkaline fluid that helps neutralize the acidity of the urethra, providing a more hospitable environment for the sperm. During ejaculation, smooth muscle contraction propel the semen from the urethra out of the penis. During ejaculation, smooth muscle contraction propel the semen from the urethra out of the penis. The process is under the control of sympathetic nervous system and can be triggered by the sexual arousal and stimulation. The volume of the semen produced per ejaculation varies, but typically ranges from 2 to 5 milliliter, containing between 40 million and 30 million sperm cell per milliliter. The pH of the semen is typically alkaline, ranging from 7.2 to 8.0, which help neutralize the acidic environment of the female vagina. This alkalinity ensures the survival of the sperm as they travel through the acidic vaginal canal to reach the egg. Semen also contain a variety of the enzymes, including proteolytic enzyme, which break down protein, and hydrouronidase, which aids in penetrating the egg protective layer. In addition to sperm, semen contains small amount of the protein, vitamins, minerals, and prostaglandin. Prostaglandin in semen are thought to play a role in influencing the female reproductive system, stimulating smooth muscle contraction in the cervix and uterus, which may help propel sperm towards the fallopian tube. Semen also contain antioxidants like vitamin C and zinc, which protects sperm for oxidative stress. The consistency of the semen can vary immediately after ejaculation. Semen tends to be thick and sticky due to presence of gel-like protein over the next 15 to 30 minutes. Semen typically liquefies, allowing the sperm to swim freely. This liquefaction is facilitated by the enzyme released by the prostate gland, which break down the protein that initially thicken the semen. Semen analysis, commonly referred to as an sperm test, is used to assess the male fertility parameters such as sperm count, motility, that is a movement, morphology, that is a shape, and volume are evaluated. A normal sperm count is considered to be over 15 million sperm per milliliter of semen, and at least 40% sperm should exhibit forward movement for fertility to be considered normal. Semen quality declines with age, particularly after the age of 40, with a decrease in sperm motility and an increase in sperm DNA fragmentation. This can impact fertility and increase the risk of genetic abnormalities in offspring. Additionally, certain medical conditions such as varicocele and large veins in the scrotum, infection, or hormonal imbalance can negatively affect semen production. Despite advances in reproductive medicine, many couples still face challenges when it comes to conception, and semen analysis can help identify potential issues. In some cases, associated reproductive technologies such as in vitro fertilization or intrauterine insemination may be recommended to help achieve pregnancy.